not sure if you can hear this, but we almost got struck by lightning, bro. And it was crazy. Hey, grab on my T. Grab on my T. Come here, come here. What happened, bro?
I jinxed it, and we almost got struck by lightning.
And now the damn shit going off, bro. All right, we better go downstairs, though. I don't know what's going on, but we got to find out. All right, here we go. God damn! It's damn school over again. Let's go. Come on. Damn. Go. Go. Open it. Alright guys, so shit get crazy. Don't know what's going on.
Boom!
We have no idea what's going on, bro. Why am I so damn dark? About to find out what the hell's going on, bro. So there was this umbrella that I think got struck by lightning. I don't even know. But that shit was crazy as hell. That shit's still going on. But they got here quick as fuck, though.
Yeah, no cap. Boom, boom, boom. Get out! Get out! Well, I wonder whose lame truck that is.
I don't know. Oh, yours.
Oh, it's mine.
I wonder who lame Camaro that is.
Man, I don't like this Camaro.
Oh, that shit mine.
Break the hell out of that shit. Come here, bitch. Just let me see your throat.
Damn, that shit
Imagine
still.
you just see like a big ass flame coming off that bitch.
You can see that. You can see the little thing from it. Oh, who you? I do that slip for real.